Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Super Mario World Athletic theme on piano. We will begin by identifying the main melody, which is primarily in C major, and then break down its rhythmic structure. Next, we will explore the left-hand accompaniment, a straightforward pattern that provides the energetic foundation. Finally, I will offer tips on combining both hands smoothly and practicing effectively to master this. Let's focus on the right-hand melody, which is the most recognizable part of the theme. The opening phrase begins with a clear G, C, E, G progression, often played with fingers 1, 2, 3, and 5. Notice the lively, syncopated eighth note rhythms that give the melody its bounce. Practice this section slowly, ensuring each note is clear and the rhythm is precise before moving on to the next phrase. After your media is in place, it is time to personalize your video. You can easily customize any text within the template, changing the message, font style, and colors to suit your brand or mood. Feel free to add or modify stickers and emojis to boost visual engagement. Beyond the template's defaults, you can adjust video speed, apply different filters, and even incorporate unique effects. Remember to use the editing tools for precise trimming, cutting, and volume control on each clip. To bring it all together, first ensure each hand is completely comfortable playing its part independently. When you're ready to combine them, start at a very slow tempo, perhaps at 60 beats per minute, gradually increasing as you gain confidence. Pay close attention to the coordination between the hands, aiming for consistent rhythm and clear articulation. Remember, consistent practice, even for just 10 to 15 minutes daily, will lead to mastery.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.